Thanks. Now, continuing coverage of immigration concerns and how it affects us here in Erie County. Tonight, Erie County Executive Brenton explained that we currently have 3 federal holds in the Erie County Prison. Now, the definition of a federal hold refers to a legal status where someone is being held in custody by local authorities at the request of federal law enforcement due to a pending federal charge or warrant. A detainee is a broader term for anyone held in custody, including someone held on a federal hold before trial or pending legal proceedings. Here's what the county executive had to say about the situation tonight.
There's absolutely no evidence of any ICE officials operating any kind of wide-scale operations here. I mean, obviously, we have a contract with the federal government, which we renewed in May before any of these executive orders. This is something that we've historically had for, a decade plus or more. You know, we offset the cost of our county prison with federal holds. You know, that could be Federal Bureau of Prisons, that could be the U.S. Marshal Service, that could be Immigration and Customs. Right now, we have 3 holds. You know, and that could be not necessarily individuals from this area. The next closest one is, I think, in the south central region of Pennsylvania. That's another county that's contracted with the federal government. Again, this is something that's customary. This is how we offset the costs of our overtime with our corrections officers. This is how we offset some of the costs of running the prison. So, it's a benefit to the taxpayers of Erie County for all these federal inmates that we hold. So if an individual needs to come for anything in federal court, we hold those, and we're paid by the federal government to hold those individuals. The 3 cases that we have now are holds. And what makes that specific, the holds, what the specific guidelines behind that, it's real simple. There's 2 pieces of paperwork that are both signed by a federal judge. So you have a warrant, you know, a federal judge has already signed, you're being held to be processed to wherever they're assigned to go, whether that be to a federal trial or deportation. You know, and that's not something that we in Erie County make a distinction on. We are in fact obligated under this contract to hold them for whatever said length of time in accordance with this contract. So it's not as simple. Some people might think that, hey, we can just let people out of jail. That's not ever the case. Whether it's county, state, or federal court, you know, we don't make that distinction. We need a judge's order that either holds a person or releases them. And, you know, that is not the case with the 3 individuals that we have that are currently ICE holds.
And we'll continue to bring you the most up-to-date and accurate information surrounding ICE, Erie County, and other issues throughout the community.